Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. If you've got an older MacBook that's running out of storage space, the folks at Otherworld Computing have made upgrades remarkably fast and easy. We upgraded a 2015 MacBook Pro, swapping a 256GB drive for a 1TB OWC Aura Pro X2 SSD using OWC's upgrade kit that included the tools you need and a drive enclosure. It took just minutes, with the toughest part being holding on to those tiny MacBook Pro screws. OWC provides the do-it-yourself installation videos, the advantages: higher capacity, faster performance, and lower power consumption, which means better battery life. The 1TB kit sells for $320, a whole lot less than springing for a new MacBook Pro. Head to OWC.com for more. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.